Hi, both Adityas. There's Anupam Srivastava, program manager, age 45, working in one of the leading MNCs in Delhi NCR, Noida to be more precise. I joined the masterclass to get having expectation to get more of the insights of the AI, which I got, and I'm really glad to say that it has been amazing after attending a couple of sessions for AI, especially for the research AI one, where basically you can do a lot of research and do presentation in a nick of time. Because at my role and at my designation, I need to do a lot of that. I'm looking forward to imply that in our day-to-day activities at the professional level, and it has been really amazing to have those insights in the first couple of sessions as well. Looking forward for more hands-on experience there in the rest of the sessions that are yet to come, and also for the course material related to the stock marketing, where with the help of AI we can make more of the money in those terms and have more success there. So keep up the good work, and looking forward for the next sessions as well. Cheers.